Mabuhay! Maayong adlaw sa atong tanan! Kamusta? For today's video, join us because we're gonna head to the state of Iowa. And this is our first time to visit the state. And we are heading to the town called Bone, Iowa. It was a beautiful day when I recorded this video. And we are looking forward to see what's in Bone, Iowa. So here we are in Rare Explorer, USA. Like what I said, one of their location is here in Bone, Iowa. I think they also have for other state, which is New York. I think they have two in New York, Rhode Island, and they have in Bluegrass, Kentucky, and Amador Gold Country. You can check their website too. I will put the description below so you can check it yourself. So when you come here, this side is on the left side is a train, and then the right. So that blue building there is their kind of front desk. Then you go there and you register. I don't know about walk-ins, but we schedule our trip over here, so we are scheduled for 5:45. They have different time. You can also everything you can get it on their website, and you can also call if you have more questions. So this is the ride. As you can see, they have a lot of multiple rides. They have 4. They have also for 2 people. And I'm not sure about their train rides, but we saw some people that's riding in the train. Maybe that's different package too, but again, you can call them and go check their website. But we just come here for these rides over here. We call it Explorer Quad for 4 riders and 2 for tandem. They also have a museum railroads. We didn't able to go inside. We just check it outside because we're just waiting for like a few minutes just to start our ride. So yeah, you can check that side too while you're waiting for your schedule, but we didn't. But that's okay, because the main point that we go here is this ride. So when everyone is here, everybody that have a schedule at the same time, they gather, they instruct what we're gonna do, safety and everything, and then they put your last name on each ride, so you have to find and read it, and if you find it, then you keep yourself ready for a ride. You put your seatbelt, you can just adjust the chair how you want it, and then everything is instructed, and there's a lot of people to help you if you have any questions. Those people that wear vests, they are really nice people, and they have an you can ask, they will help you. And really they make sure the safety here, and then they really take it serious, because I know it's just a fine ride, but still safety is number 1 here, which is good. And also they really encourage you to bring your own snack while you're enjoying the ride and the view, so you can have a snack, and also water is very important. But that day was very nice. We're not really like sweating, it's like windy, and it's a really beautiful day. But in case you come here, always bring a water or a drink in here, and it's like what I said earlier. They have like Quad Explorer, which is the Cadillac of their fleet is the 4-person Quad Explorer with a 4 seats and 4 seat of pedals. This is ideal for families or group of friends. And the other one, which is this one that we're riding, is the Tandem Explorer. Looking for a romantic experience with your partner or an opportunity to create a lasting memory for 2, the Tandem is for you. With 2 seats, this is for the couple of the fleet. The sport convertible built for the 2 with the 2 top always down at 6 feet long and weighing 570 pounds. It is fast, slim, and goggles up to the And also about the trains, their staff coordinates closely with the railroad's managers and dispatchers to ensure that there are no other vehicles on the trails or rails during their operations. Active railroads are extremely dangerous and unauthorized access is strictly forbidden. In Bone Island, they have Scenic Valley Trail, Scenic Valley Sunset, Scenic Valley Trail to Eddy's Cove, and Scenic Valley Lantern Tour. So they all have four options check. Include the Scenic Valley Trail to Eddy's Cove. So it lasts about it says 2 hours total. It's like 11.5 miles round trip. The fun thing is this ride is for everybody, everyone, couples, young and others, a group of friends and family of all age, and ability to enjoy the swimming experience. So maybe you are asking how it works. All the rail explorer lead at the same time, with a tour guide in the lead and the tour guide in the last explorer. The group spread out along the track so that there is up to 500 feet between you and the explorers ahead and behind. These allow each group to enjoy the freedom of the outdoors and the magic of the railroad at their own pace and their own space. And also the tours are timed so that all the explorers have reached the destination before they are turned around for the round trip. Please, they always said, passing is not possible. The aim is to enjoy the journey, not to go as fast as you can. A slower rider in front means you will have more time to relax and enjoy the ride. Give the other riders space. Please don't tailgate. Well, I think the third time that we stop because we're heading to we're gonna cross the bridge. So if you're scared of heights, it's not that bad at all. It's not that scary. Just stay paddling. Really fun. It's really fun experience, guys. So you have to try this. So let's talk about a little background of the Rail Explorer. A Rail Explorer is a pedal-powered vehicle that rides on the railroad tracks. They have 4 steel wheels, hydraulic disc brake pedals for each seat, and are comfortable, fun, and easy to ride. Although the Rail Explorers require pedaling, the magic of steel wheels on steel rails make the experience very different from the riding a regular bicycle. There is no need to carefully watch the road ahead. There is no need to steer riding is hands-free, making it easier to take photographs and video as you roll along. Pedal-powered rail vehicles date back at least the 1850s when maintenance workers used the hand cars and rail bikes to travel along the tracks. They were used to transport crew and materials for tracks inspection and repairs. Today, there are variety designs in use around the world. Their custom-built Explorer are the latest development of this technology and are the global leader in safety, design, and ease of operation.
somebody, let somebody, let somebody go. Yeah. Let somebody, let somebody, let somebody go.
As always, just keep an eye out for wildlife. You guys are all set?
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you back there.
Sure.